Alright folks, now if you'd like, you can come and join me as I go and plow our driveway out. As I was doing my chicken chores, I had the tractor running, so get in here and see what was going on. Is that I had to put a new insulator on the tractor. The rubber wiper part is off. This radio turned down. There we go. And get you looking out the window. That's what I'm looking at. See what the windshield wiper can do for me, even though it's a bit ruined. There we go. We're not going at highway speeds with this thing, so we should be okay. Alright, let's see here. Let me get my gloves off. Break off. Buckle picked up. There we go. Alright, so let's see if I can figure out where my bucket's sitting. Yeah, so somewhere about there would be a good plowing height, I think. Hard to see, but I'll take a first pass down the driveway anyways. See how that comes out. Come back and take another pass. So I'm sure that there's probably folks out there watching that don't have this. You don't have to plow snow. Some of you is in the lower states down in USA, I'm sure. But Canada, snow is definitely a reality. And quite a bit of time plowing. But anyways, one thing about the snow is it is automatically leaving some moisture for once spring comes for garden material and even just growing like fields and whatever, because once the snow's on it does have to melt, so it kind of like guarantees some moisture in the spring. So they've been trying to look for the up notes all the time. There's no sense always concentrating on the bad. So that's one of the good things about snow. Anyways, alright, I'm not going to bore you with the whole thing, but I'm going to carry on here now and keep plowing this snow. Make it so that my daughters can get in and out of the driveway later. In case we have to go to town, we can get out. Alright folks, if you've enjoyed the short content, or the short form content, like the shorts, please go check out our YouTube channel and maybe you'll enjoy some of the longer style videos. We try to put up about a video a day of raw, uncut farm footage, and that's kind of our whole stick on this channel, is that we're not going to do all the fancy editing that some do on this channel. Now we have another channel that we're going to try to do some of that editing, but we just go out with a mission in mind to get a longer form video, and we do it without any takes, and just kind of post the video however it came out. So if you like that, let us know. Let us know where you're watching from, and until the next time, we'll see you. Farmer Luke out. See you later, folks.